Hello, world. Hi, guys. Thank you for joining me. I really appreciate you joining this class of Python. First ever one that I've made. So, welcome, welcome. Um, Today, we're gonna write a program that is gonna be saying hello to the world. Okay, cool. So, at the end of the day, you'll be able to actually write a program in Python. So let's start. So first thing, once you get into your Google class or the way that we came into the class, you will see from streaming it'll say programming in Python, and then if you click on Hello World, which is our very first program that we'll be doing today, you'll come to this page. Once you're here, just click on the sandbox, which is right here. Okay, once you clicked on it, just it will say sandbox.cs50.io. So that's the environment that we'll be writing our Python program. So the programs are written in a certain environment, in a text editor as code that will be interpreted and run on a computer. So telling a computer what to do. That's the power. So let's start. Create. If you click on create, it should say login with a username and password. That's not a problem if you don't have a username and password, which I don't think you have at the moment. If you have, you can log in, but if you don't have a Git account, then you'll need to create one. So at the bottom here it says create. I'm not gonna take you through how to create an account. I'm sure you know how to create a Facebook account, a Twitter account, and everything. You know, it's simple. And the username, your email address, and your password, and then they ask you a funny puzzle question, and then you answer that, and then you create an account. But I've already created one, so I'm just gonna go back and log in. So my one, I'll log in with my email address and with my password. Once you get those, you come back and then you log in here. So we get into this Python environment. So it's be loading a Python environment. Then we'll be writing Python programs the Python way. This environment should work for your phones, for your laptops, for desktops, game machine. Yeah, any program that can be connected to the internet and then you can actually type on it, it should be able to work with this environment. So without wasting any time, let's write a program. Before we write a program, I'm just gonna give you like a tour of this environment. So here at the top, this is where we're gonna be writing our program. This is how we create a program, by clicking on this plus sign. We create folders here, or we create files. So at the bottom, it's called terminal. It's what Unix machines or Linux uses. I'm not gonna go through a lot of commands what Linux use, but we'll have to know at least one today. So you can break to a friend and say, hey, I know how to use Linux. And the program that we'll be running today on Linux is actually to list files. It's simple as ls. So it lists files. Oh, we don't have any files, so it come back and say no files, or it come back with nothing. So let's create our first program, which is hello world, etara, hola world. So we're gonna call our program with a file name. Let's give a file name. Let's be creative here. Since it's going hello to the world, we're just gonna call it hello. So hello dot. That's very important. You can name it whatever you wanna name, but to write programs the Pythonic way, you need to say .py. The computer will now understand that you are about to write a Python program, py. So hello.py, and then you say create a file. So to create a file for you, now on this file. This is a file. This is like if you will be using Microsoft, you'll be a text editor like Notepad. For people that are using Linux, they will talk up something about VI or Nano or other programs. But it's just a text. It's just where you write your code. It's like a Notepad. So the first program that we've been writing, we've been saying the same thing all the time. Is that we're gonna write a program that says hello world. So let's move on and dive in and write the program. In order to write a program, let's say hello world in Python, you just type print. You tell computer a print bracket, and then you say hello world, and then they put exclamation mark if you want. It's not important, which is like explaining that it's actually hello world. So you type print, open the bracket, inverted commas, and then you type whatever you want to put inside, which this time is wanted to say hello to the world. So I'd say hello world, sorry about that. So there we go. So hello world, and then you close your inverted commas, and then you close your brackets, and then once that's done, you run a program. So a Python program, this is your code. You write a code, and then when you instruct a computer to run your code, use something called an interpreter. And the Python interpreter in this case is, you guessed right, it's Python. So you write Python and the name of the program. What do you want Python to interpret, and tell the computer what to do. It must run the name of the program, which is hello.py. That's actually written there at the top. If you forget about, you save the name of program as, it's there, hello.py. And if we didn't do anything wrong, we should be now able to run our very first program. If we press enter, press enter, hello world. I just like my internet was just slow at the other time. Let's do that again. I'm just gonna clear screen with a command called clear. Looks like we don't have a fast internet today. And then we will write Python again just to make sure, and say hello.py and press enter. Hello world. Congratulations. If it works like this, congratulations to you. You have managed to write a computer program in Python. Say hello world. So stay tuned for more. We're going to be exploring a lot of programs in Python. Learning a new program is like learning a new programming language. It's like learning a new language. It's like learning Xhosa. It's like learning English. It's like learning Venda or whatever language it is. Now you just learn how to create. So if you were learning like Xhosa, you would say Molo. Now you're learning Python, but in a traditional programming way, we say hello world. Thank you.